Dear student, today I discuss the chapter Uniform Circular Motion. In this chapter, I discuss the topic centrifugal force. Okay, from this topic, you can I hope so. Definition is when any body move on circular path during motion, one force is acting away from the center of that path. That force is known as centrifugal force, which are act opposite to the centripetal force. So this is a very important thing. So now in this diagram you can see this is a circular path, center is O, this radius is small r, and suppose a mass of body is small m moving with velocity v on that path. So in this situation, when bodies circulate on that path, so one force is acting away from the center, that is called the centrifugal force, which are F here. You can see away from that path, that is from center, is known as the centrifugal force. Okay, but one another force that is acting toward the center of that is called the centripetal. I hope this is clear. No doubts, okay? So formula F is equal to mv square upon r. This is the general formula for centripetal and centrifugal. Both for. So its unit is Newton and dimension is ml t minus 2. I hope this is clear. So in very one important point arise here beta कि this force is acting opposite to the direction of centripetal force. So both are opposite to each other. One is away from that, one is toward the center of that. This is a major difference, but both formula and magnitude are similar to each other, same unit, same dimension. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now next topic is pseudo force. In this topic, pseudo force, that is a force which are only a force which are you can only experience, not acting. That force is known as a pseudo force. So in this topic, a very important thing arises here कि when suppose a class, in a class number of students sitting in there without any teacher, they make a too much sound. So you can hear But after some time that one teacher is moved toward the class, then you can experience कि sound will control and students sit proper and don't make a noise. That means you can understand कि students are in control, but teacher not saying saying a one word that in the form of force or in a punishment form, but all are sit properly with silent. So that mean here one question is arise here, why? So that mean but children are experiencing only that force appearance of the teachers in the class by this reason that are silent, but teacher not saying something. So this is very important thing arise here. So beta, this is the pseudo force. Children are experiencing only, but teacher are not applying any force on there. I hope this is clear. This is a very important definition. This is pseudo force. I hope no doubts. Okay, clear.